Next, bid settings. So you have to go to bid settings, and here there are 3 categories. So whichever is not needed, you can delete, and whichever is needed, you can keep it. So for me, I have selected 2 categories, male and female. So I have to do the bidding settings for both the categories individually. So now I am now in male. I am selecting the logos. Next, title. So let me write the title of my tournament. My have chose present. We think Premier League. So this title will be displayed on the LED screen. So this will be your title. It will show everywhere. And now minimum bid for the player I'm setting 2000 and the player count. So here based on how many category and how many player that you're planning to take in a team, you have to add it according to that. Now I want to take two male player in my team. So I have selected 2. And this is bidding ticker from 1000 to 10,000. Whenever you click plus button, it will increase 1000. Okay. Now next, female category. I am doing the same setting for female category, adding the logos and the title. Next, minimum bid and the player count. I want to take 1 female player in my team, so I have added 1. Now, bidding ticker from 1000 to 10,000, 1000 points per ticker, 10,000 to 50,000, 2000 points per ticker. Now I have updated. So in this way, you have to do the bidding settings based on your requirement. Now let me show you a quick demo with the bidding. I have selected a male category and 1 registration number. So here you can see when you increase the plus button, the bidding points is increased based on the setup we have done. Now in TV screen, let me take a new player again. Here you can see the player details and the points. Now I am increasing the points. In TV screen also you can see the points getting increased. Now let me open the user live screen also and let me do it from first. Let me select the player again. And here in user live view also you can see the player status, and I am increasing the bidding points, and you can see simultaneously in TV screen and bidding screen it is showing. Okay.